Hey guys, I'm back at Harbor Freight. I'm going to show you some 2024 February top deals and super coupons. So they're running a sale on Predator generators. They're saying backed by popular demand, they're running them 20% off, and that's through February 18th. And you can press get a coupon, you can use that online or use it in store. This first one here is a super quiet inverter. It's a 3500 super quiet inverter for $799.99. And it was $899.99. So they've got some other items here. There's a Pittsburgh screwdriver set. It's a 12-piece set. They've got the soft handles here, so that's always nice with the cushion grip if you're using them quite a bit. And they've got new coupons and new savings. So these are the super coupons. These are good through the 18th as well. This first item is a central pneumatic, $29 two-piece professional automotive gun here, or spray gun kit. And you've got the two guns there, stainless steel fluid nozzle and needle. And then you've got the smaller HVLP touch-up gun for $22.99. That one, it looks like, is an Inside Track Club deal. Originally it was $29. And they've got the battery deal still going on, so you get a free battery if you get any 20-volt impact wrench. They've got the Hercules deal here with the impact wrench, with the four mode selection, and then that's showing the deal there as well. Get the 20 free battery if you get the impact wrench. Now these are some Inside Track Club deals for $109. It's a savings of $40. This is a 17-foot ladder. Usually it's $149, and they're saying the customer rating's 4.5 stars. Next up is a parabolic oscillating heater, and that's what it looks like here. And it oscillates obviously, and that's $34.99. Here's some more of those generators here. This one's $10.99, but it's a 5,000 watt generator, and they have a whole wall of these, or at least a section here, as you can see. So again, all these are 20% off. If you're looking for one, it's a good time to get them. These are just some tarps for $3.99. They're 7-foot by 9-foot tarps. This is an Icon $29 external straight snap ring pliers, and these are the specs on them here. It's got a lifetime warranty with the rubberized handle and .125 tip size. And right when you walk in, they had some more deals. This is for $59.99. This is an impact wrench, 1/2-inch heavy-duty impact wrench from Bauer. It is corded. That's the only thing. This is a Hercules orbital sander for $44. And then you've got a $99 Hercules polisher here. Was $129 for 8 amps. This is a 3-gallon McGraw oil-free compressor, 1/3 horsepower. And that's what the box looks like here. For $22, they've got this wrench set. And then a US General utility cart here for $99, or a service cart with drawer. That's $30 off, and they come with different colors. This one is for $44.99. Now this one just doesn't have the drawer, but it's about half the price, so just depends on what you want to go with there. For $79, this is a central pneumatic airbrush compressor with airbrush kit. It says 1/5 running horsepower there. And they've got the tie downs for $8 here again. These are some outdoor lights for $18.99. It says 24 feet, 12 bulb outdoor string lights, and they also come in white here. And these are online as well. It says, now this says $17.99, 35% off. So I'm not sure why the discrepancy. I wonder if this is a 12-foot light here, but these really hold up well. And this says 24-foot. And of course, you got some boring batteries, but the price on these you can't really beat. $2 to $3 for a pack of batteries. This is a Portland chainsaw for $39.99. So this is on sale here, and it is a 14-inch corded chainsaw. And this is what it looks like here in the back. Got the nice green color there. Next up, we've got some power washers here for $229. You got some Bauer power washers, and then just on the, so these are 2300 psi, 1.2 gallons. And you got the Portland power washer if you want something that's electric and just a little bit smaller here. That'll still do the trick. You've got this nice turn knob here in the front. And this was 89 bucks. It's now $79.99. That's 11% off. And that's with the coupons here good through February 18th. It looks like it's got 4.5 stars. So don't forget to go in the back of Harbor Freight. These are some clearance deals. This is a 10-inch industrial tile and brick saw, 2.5 horsepower. It's got a 24-inch cutting capacity for $299. Those are some pictures there of that. And then from Central Pneumatic, again, it's the 1/2 inch twin hammer air impact wrench, and that's for $34.99. And this is another clearance wall here. Again, this is kind of in the back right of at least their store, but they do have a lot of walls in the back, and you can just check them for clearance. This is a Maddox fuel injector service kit for $49.99. That's a good brand there for automotive tools here. This is a Hercules. I'm not sure why this is back here, but anyways. Going up here, they've got a 8-piece Windsor design wood turning kit. This is what it looks like here. It comes with a carrying case and the 8 tools here as well. So it's hardwood handles, high-speed steel sharp, longer than steel. And up top here, they've got the metal cutoff wheel. This is for $4.97. They've got some brushes on clearance for 87 cents. If you just need some extra brushes there. And for $4.97, they've got a toolbox saw, 15-inch toolbox saw here. And then right next to it, they've got a driver bit assortment, an 80-piece driver bit assortment here. They said these are the chrome pieces here. And then they've got the foldable earmuffs for $5.99. And these were on the online savings as well. Then they've got the everyday savings wall here, where you can just kind of walk by and see if you need anything on your next run. You've got a digital multimeter, wireless alarm system. They've got the string lights and some more silver tarps. They've got a Pittsburgh 30-ton heavy-duty bottle jack for $30 off. And here's the Bauer wall. They've got the tools. And I posted this before. You can get a free tool if you buy a 20-volt battery. So here's the battery. It's $59.99, 20 volts, and then you get a free tool. So these are the actual kits here they have up. They don't have the bare tools, but this is the impact driver with the battery and the kit, and the bag, I'm sorry, for $89. And let's see, down here we've got the variable speed D handle drill, 1/2 inch. And they've also got a deal where you get a second battery if you buy the kit. So if you go ahead and just want to buy the kit instead, you can get a free battery. That's a $59 value. And they've got the Bauer for $34. This is the organizer here. They had some pneumatic tires as well. So the 10-inch ones are on sale, and I'll show you here in a sec, for $5.99. So that's 33% off. And these are the Hallmaster 10-inch ones. Got a few more deals online here. This is a Centec engine starter for $129, was $149. That's 4.5 stars. This is a Pittsburgh tool set with case. It's 130 pieces, $29.99. I mean, that's 25% off. It was $40. Let's see what we got here. Some more coupons. These are some pretty good deals for basically $1 through $4. You can get some zip ties, a lumen headlight, metallic 4-pack of hooks, and then a power strip for $4. And finishing up here, go ahead and like the video, guys, if you've gotten this far. These are some more of the generators here. There's some pretty good deals on this brand. This is, again, the Predator brand. And they have a whole page if you go online or in store. Thanks. I hope you liked this video, guys.